CIFR stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at freaking Cipher Mining, all I'm gonna say, man, is that this is not something that I'm gonna trying to be nice with. I'm trying to be kind, you know, and I've made more videos than anyone else in this space with the most proof documented. All I'm saying is that this is still such a bearish market. Not like that I'm selling straight up, no, but I must see some proper shifts and proper breaks in order for me to really do anything, right? And even here, let's go weekly. Actually, let's go daily. Right. Yeah, I would love to see like a break above this supply zone, more so 320. You know, that's kind of the level that I'm kind of looking at. And if there's no shift nor a double break, then obviously I'm not going to look to sell. So that's how CIFR is looking like. This is not financial advice whatsoever. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.